Now as you can see, it looks a little weird, but look at inside, it's so much huge. I cleared it, I opened it, and as you can see, this is the ramp and this is the cars come from, as you can see. Oh my god, this area is populated. Get out of here, cars! Oh, as you can see, this is the mechanism of it. As you can see here, this is a Toyota car, and you can see these scales, so the car can move like smoothly. You can see it as the tires, and there you can see there's a cockpit, and this is big, really big. Look, my hand can inside. And lots of things can go inside it. Now car, let's get out of here. And as you can see, this is the whole wing and its mechanism. I have not measured how long it is, but it's longer than 40 centimeter. It's longer than 40 centimeter. And as you can see, compared to the plane, the wings are longer than it. As you can see, the wings are longer than the plane. It's covering the whole plane. Just so much big. And this is the tail, as you can see. It looks like a military plane, but it is a cargo plane, big police cargo plane. As you can see, I covered it. Now I'll show you the landing gear. Oh god. Oh, so you can see the landing gear. You can see it. Smooth landing. And look at its colors. There's so many bricks. It's made of 600 bricks. And it was the first plane that I was showed. I said in